we have an equation that makes a parabola, and then we have 4 coordinates and 2 points. And those 2 points here and here, they define the secant. And by those 4 coordinates, we have x plus delta x, and the delta x defines the change of values of the x's, and the delta y is the same as the delta x, just for the y point. The way we find the slope, a, is by using this general formula for the secant, where we have the 4 points x2, f is x plus delta x, and subtracted by y1, fx, divided by x2, the x plus delta x, subtracted by x1, x. And then that is the same as f is x plus delta x, subtracted by f is x, divided by x plus delta x minus x. It's the same as f is x plus delta x, subtracted by f is x, divided by delta x. And that is because minus x plus x is 0. So we just eliminate those 2 points. And then to the next.
fx plus delta x minus fx divided by delta x equals delta x divided by delta y. And the way that we make the secant a tangent line is by writing lim, and then delta x gets very close to 0, and this will make the tangent, this point, get almost on top of this point, and this will create the tangent line.
So here we have an example with the function fx equals x squared, and we have the general formula, and here we just put in the numbers. And we want to change the equation to make it look like this: 2x plus delta x divided by delta x. And we do this so that we can eliminate these two, and then we have 2x plus delta x. And now to find the slope, we say lim delta x gets as close to 0 as possible, and we will get 2x. That's our slope. So to sum up, fx equals x squared is the derivative of f is equals to x.
In this part of the video, we will be talking about Newton and Leibniz. We'll first of all talk about who they were, and after that, who discovered the calculus first. Newton is a mathematician and a scientist, and he is well known for his law of universal gravitation, but also for being one of the discoverers of the calculus. Newton published his work in 1986, and Leibniz a while after. Just like Newton, is Leibniz also a mathematician, but he's also a philosopher. He invented the first multifunctional calculator, but also the calculus, and today we use Leibniz's way of notation.
Leibniz discovered the calculus after Newton. He published it before Newton. He was the one in Germany who is known as the one who discovered the calculus. In England, it's Newton who discovered calculus. But today we see as they both discovered calculus, but independent of each other.